everybody, it's Miss Dina. I'm here with a Wellness Wednesday post. I know this last few weeks has been challenging, not being able to see family and friends and kind of hang out with our friends at school. I know everyone is working really hard and trying the best that they can, and that's all we really can do right now. So I have a fun idea for when we're at home and maybe the weather is a little bit cold or snowing like it has been, and it's baking. I love baking and I find it really reduces my stress. It makes me feel really happy and calm, and it's fun to eat. So I'm gonna show you a super simple 3-ingredient cookie recipe that you can try at home with your siblings, with mom or dad or grandma or whoever you're at home with. Make sure you're staying safe with the oven, but stay tuned and I will show you the steps. Okay, so here are our 3 ingredients. We have large flake oats, chocolate chips, and 2 ripe bananas. Any chocolate chips will work. I also have 2 optional ingredients that you don't need to add, but you can if you want. And that's peanut butter, if you're able to have that, and some cinnamon. And before we get started, just a few of the items you'll need. So you'll need a mixing bowl, a potato masher, or a fork will do just fine, some measuring cups, make sure there's a tablespoon as well, and a spoon. Step number 1, preheat your oven to 350, and then you're just gonna peel and mash your bananas. We have our mashed bananas, so now we're going to add our oats. So we have a cup and a half. Make sure we use our measuring cups to measure this, okay? So this is a cup and a half. And then you're going to add the best part, which is the chocolate chips. So we have to add 2/3. So here's 1. And 2. Okay, so if you're adding the optional ingredients, you can do that now. So I'm adding a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Again, you do not need to add it. They will turn out just fine. So add all that in there. And then just a sprinkle of cinnamon, or as much as you like, if you want to add it. And then you're gonna mix it up. All right, so the next step after we're done mixing is we're gonna take a tablespoon and we're gonna put them all on the cookie sheet. And then we're gonna flatten them down. Okay, so we have our cookies all on the sheet. They're flattened down just a little bit, so they're about a 1/2 inch thickness. We're gonna pop them in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on how hot your oven is. Okay, so they're ready. Yum. So once they are cooked, you're just going to take them off the pan, put them on a cooling rack to cool down, or just leave them on the pan to cool down, and then enjoy. Make sure you don't burn your mouth. All right, so there you have it, a simple cookie recipe. It's also a fun way to practice our math skills. If you try out this recipe, I would love to see pictures, or if you try any other recipe, I would love to see pictures as well. So please do send a private message to your Facebook page and we will post that on your school's Facebook. All right, have an awesome Wednesday.